day 2 here in Boracay for my birthday, and we're recharged.
Yeah, finally.
We're not zombies anymore, so it's gonna be a nice day. Today, we're gonna visit another beach, maybe Puka Beach or Diniwid. It's 10 a.m. We're gonna have breakfast. Let's go. Beach outfit of the day. At ito, wala lang. Nakaka-amaze lang itong napakalaking ugat from this tree, proving that itong hotel ay isa sa mga pinakamatagal na hotel dito sa Boracay. We're at Station 3. We're looking for them, but we found them. There they are. Found them. Sobrang ganda pa rin sa Boracay, guys. Sobrang ganda pa rin kahit sa Station 2. Nag-i-e-trek lang kami dito when we want to go from one station to another. A moment for my nails. Ang ganda, diba? Temporary nails yun. Dinidikit lang. At hindi siya, matibay siya. Hindi siya natatanggal. So cute! Today, simple lang ang itinerary. Kakain lang kami at maglalakad-lakad sa beach. At ito, ini-enjoy lang namin yung magandang araw sa D-Mall. Tao nyo naman here, ang ganda ng mall na to talaga. Feeling bakasyon talaga pag naglalakad dito sa D-Mall ng ganitong oras. Kasi open area siya ng mall. Tapos, ang ganda ng interior niya talaga for me. Feel na tropical vibe talaga. So, ayun. Isa sa mga gusto kong gawin dito sa Boracay. Nilalakad ko yung stations dulo to dulo. Wala lang. Calming lang kasi din. Tapos, meron ditong Starbucks. Isa talaga sa pinakapanalong combination for me is coffee and beach. Kaya, gagawin ko talaga yun dito. Like the sand here. Iniwan muna namin doon sa isang part ng Station 1 si Kyra at yung mga senior na kasama namin para makapagpahinga sila habang kami nag-explore lang dito sa beach area. Naglalakad-lakad na kami, titingnan namin yung mga stores na bago and check lang namin kung anong magandang okay na tambay. Thankfully, today, ang ganda ng weather. Kita niyo naman, hindi siya ganun kainit, pero hindi rin siya umuulan. So, ayun, we've been walking the beach for hours now, and we found a spot dito sa Station 1. Let's see, wind. Tignan muna kami dito ng konti, and then we're gonna start swimming and exploring the beach. Cheers! Lumating na siya. Sarap kaya. Cheers! It's a birthday to me!
What's your birthday?
But look at me. I look like an island girl, which I love. Ito yung what I like about being here in Boracay or a nice island. Is you can just walk around, you know, confidently, even if you're full of sand. And it's okay. And I actually like it. I like it very much. The feeling feels free. It feels like luxury, a privilege. I'm grateful. Going back to the hotel for a swim and freshen up because we're going to Puka Beach later. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour of our room here dito sa Paradise Garden Hotel. So ito siya. This is a East Wing Superior Deluxe room. So this is good for 2. Ang laki ng bed. Tignan nyo. Ano nyo naman? Diba? Ang laki ng bed niya. Full bed siya. Para siyang queen. Nasa gitna ng queen and king. Mas malakas siya sa queen bed. Queen size bed. Yan. Simple lang siya. Alam mo yun. Simple lang. So, ang maganda dito, meron siyang sarili mong parang balcony. Tapos, alam nyo ba na na-upgrade yung room namin kasi I only booked 1 Superior Deluxe. Hindi pala pwede na may additional people. So, for 2 lang yun. So, pag nag-add kayo, plus 1 for per head, isang tao. So, ginawa ko na lang. Nag-suggest na ako ng another room na cheaper. Na 2K per night lang sa Klook. So, ayun, ganun yung ginawa ko. Meron pa kaming extra room kasi sabi nila, upgrade na nila yung room. So, para magkalapit kami. So, yeah, I got the upgrade for free. Because I'm the luckiest person ever in the entire world. Happy birthday, KD. Limutan ko sabihin na itong Superior Deluxe East Wing is 3K or more. Siguro 3.5 a night. Online, booking.com or Klook. Pero pag dito kayo nag-check-in mismo, mas mahal pala. 5K a night siya. Tapos yung pinakamura nilang room online is 2K. Pag dito kayo nag-book is 3K. So, nakatipid ako ng malaki, which is amazing. Puka Beach.
Yeah.
It's 3 and I hope it's gonna be nice. Puka means the shells. Puka shell. It's nice there, but I'm the only one who's gonna swim. It's okay.
The process.
Yeah, because you kept walking. But I think they're gonna end up swimming anyway when they see the beach.
Without underwear.
Okay. See you. Ito nga, papunta na kami sa Puka Beach at yung e-trike kailangan siyang special which is around 250 to 300 or above. Medyo malayo yung Puka Beach, para mga 15 minutes from the main white beach. So parang tinrato na lang namin na sightseeing tour siya. Here is Puka Beach. Kita nyo naman, napaka-raw. Walang tao, no establishment. Ito yung ganda niya. Here, Puka Beach. Yung mga kasama ko, hindi natutuwa. Hindi sila natutuwa sa Puka Beach. Kasi medyo hindi komportable dito. Bawal kasi magtayo dito ng any establishments. So, yung meron lang dito, yung mga maliliit na stores doon. Tapos may banig lang doon. Doon kayo pwede mag-rest. Di kasi nagigets yung ganda ng Puka Beach ng iba. Kasi ito yung parang raw beach dito. Tsaka sobrang linaw ng tubig niya. Ma-appreciate mo to kapag mag-swimming ka. At saka gusto mo ng ganitong experience na raw beach. Linaw ng tubig. Pero lahat ng kasama ko kasi hindi sila magsiswimming. So kaya ako lang ang nakaka-appreciate. Picture lang kami here tapos tulog pa yung baby namin si Kyra. So ang hirap gumalaw. So gets naman. So magsusnorkel lang ako ng konti. And then I will go na. Ayun, nag-snorkel lang ako dito ng sobrang saglit. Tapos umalis na rin kami kasi yung mga kasama ko, alam ko hindi na sila komportable dito. After sa Puka Beach, bumalik lang din kami dito sa Station 1 sa Seawind. Kasi komportable dito. Tsaka alam mo yun, pwede kami order ng food, drinks. Naghintay lang kami ng sunset. Na mag-sunset. So, second day, yung Boracay is gonna end soon. Gusto ko tumira dito. Kahit 1 or 2 months. Wow. Look at that. So pretty. Sana next napunta ko dito sa Boracay. Maybe next year, earlier. Sobrang yaman. Lahat na natupad na gusto ko for now. Amazing. Bukas pa yung birthday ko, pero parang ngayon na yung naging main day celebration. Kaya umorder kami ng cocktails. For happy hour. This is my drink. Okay, this is my drink. And they want it.
No, it's good. It's actually pretty good than I thought. No, it has all the flavors are like. Oh, no. If you take a strong sip.
Good for amaretto sour, but egg would be nice.
But you need to say that it's made with Jim Beam because it's a happy hour one.
Okay.
It's made with whiskey, Jim Beam, bourbon. Yeah,
Yes.
It's not a real.
But
It's,
it's not,
yeah, but-
basically it's not real amaretto
yeah,
sour.
it's like an amaretto sour, but
It kind of tastes like it
yeah, and
without the egg.
without egg yolk because it's a happy hour drink.
With egg, it's gonna
Yeah.
be better.
But it still tastes good with all that.
For the price, 200 pesos.
Yeah.
Just like that, mama.
It's
it's not forever moments in Saturday.
The what?
Yeah. Then don't come back. Whatever.
Look at you. Look at you.
Long hair.
Look at you.
Black.
Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
you.
Mama! More Boracay! Happy birthday, Kyra! I'm so grateful kasi kahit na simple lang kami dito sa Boracay, alam mo yun, hindi masyadong magarbo yung expenses namin. Sobrang grateful ko pa rin. Nadala ko yung family ko here. Natupad din yung gusto kong i-manifest for a long time. At nag-workout din lahat kahit ang daming challenges na naharap namin before coming here. And that thing,
We are doing new things. Yeah, it's kind of things.
Even my feet is red.
No.
Yung sunset is so pretty. So pretty. Ah. Kyra, what happened? Are you relaxing?
It's comfy.
It's so comfy there. With powder. Three people, pwede. You like it?
Mama there.
Whee! Whee!
We are going to talk the teeth. And down we go.
Yeah!
I can see the wheel.
It's about For our dinner, dito kami sa Aria. Maganda rin dito at hindi ganun kamahal dito. Masarap and authentic yung Italian food nila.
Wow. Baby. Thank you.
Sinurprise pa talaga ako ng jowa ko for this. Grabe naman na-touch ako. Thank you for watching and watch our last day, day 3 in Boracay in the next video.